Creating a sales order in NetSuite involves several steps to document and manage customer orders effectively. Here's a concise guide to help you through the process. Log into NetSuite. Open your web browser, navigate to the NetSuite login page, and enter your login credentials. Navigate to Sales Orders. From the main dashboard, go to Transactions, Sales, enter Sales Orders. Enter Customer Information. Customer. Select the customer placing the order from the drop-down list. This will autofill the customer's details. Subsidiary. Ensure the correct subsidiary is selected if applicable. Enter sales order details. Order date. Enter the date of the sales order. Order number. NetSuite typically auto-generates this, but you can manually enter it if needed. Currency. Ensure the correct currency is selected. Add line items. Item. Select the items being sold from the drop-down list. Quantity. Enter the quantity of each item ordered. Rate. The rate or price per unit will autofill based on item settings but can be adjusted. Amount. This will auto-calculate based on quantity and rate. Additional details. Ship to or bill to addresses. Verify or enter the shipping and billing addresses. Shipping method. Select the preferred shipping method. Sales rep. Assign the sales representative handling the order if applicable. Review and save. Review all details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Save to create the sales order. Approval and fulfillment. Depending on your organization's workflow, the sales order may need approval. Navigate to Transactions, Sales, approve sales orders to approve it if necessary. After approval, you can proceed to fulfill the order.